Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing the Flower Eyeshadow Chubby Sticks today for you guys. I got the Rose Gold Dust EC6 and the On Taupe of the World. So I know I already have eyeshadows on, but I thought I would use one for my crease color, not my crease color, for my eyelid color, and then one for under the eye. These are by Flower, which is by Drew Barrymore. You can get these at Walmart. They are just a few dollars. These claim to be crease proof, all day wear. Now you guys know me. I will be checking in throughout the day to tell you whether these are really all day wear. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys. I'm excited. I love long wear. You guys have been watching my channel for a long time. I test out all long wear products, all right? Okay, so let's go ahead and do this color right here. This is called Rose Gold Dust. So it's a retractable eyeshadow color. A champagne rose gold, I guess you could say. Okay, so let's go ahead and just apply it to the eye here. See if you guys see it or not on camera, hopefully. Doesn't really show up very much, does it? I mean, it's not like, it looks more blingy on the hand than it actually does on the eye. And I kind of don't prefer this huge, like, chubby stick because it's hard to get, like, a precise line. Let's try On Taupe of the World. Taupes are some of my favorite colors to actually wear on my eyes. See, it's hard to get, like, I'm gonna have to go in my crease on top of this. I don't think they're true to the color. I mean, obviously, I don't think they're true to the color. I think that they go on the hand. They swatch better on the hand than they actually do the eye. The applicator is way too freaking big. That's huge. I mean, this is like, oh, you know what? Let's just do this. I was just going to say this is for like a one color. Like, I'm not going to like spruce up my eyes with any multiple colors. It's just a one color application. Let me take this off before everything's messed up. So let's go ahead and just try this all over the eye since I already just jacked up all my makeup and see how this looks all over the eye. Okay, now all over the eye I can see it. Grab it, just apply it everywhere and then blend it out on the corners at the edges. Now, if I put this in the middle to bring some brightening, maybe. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to say it right now. I don't even have to check in because I haven't even been wearing the eyeshadows, but for maybe 20 minutes. And you guys can see they're already creasing. So these crease-proof chubby sticks, eyeshadow chubbies, I'm going to give them a total thumbs down. Why would it even be like coming off like that? So I'm going to unfortunately give this product a total fail. Do not get it. And if you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And while you're down there, hit that little bell by the subscribe button. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.